tone my hair. So first I want to show you, I just hit myself in the face. Anyways, I want to show you this PR package that I got from Pallure. Look at it, it's so cute. I love when PR is personalized. I will always feel special. It says, this package is for Hannah's next wash day. Today's wash day. It's also a toning day. I want to show you this because it's so cute. First of all, I love handwritten, personalized, addressed to me little notes. I think it's so cute and thoughtful. Second of all, look at this. Candy, and they printed out, hold on. They printed out this photo of me and my boyfriend. They obviously found this on my Instagram, but you guys, I have the hottest boyfriend ever. I thought this was so cute and thoughtful. Is this a magnet? It is! I'm in my kitchen because the lighting's good. It's a magnet! That's so cute. I love that. They gave me Jolly Ranchers and a scrunchie. And of course, the star of the show is their toning foam conditioner. They sent me a bright blonde and an ash blonde. I think it's so cool because it's literally like, oh my god, it's like whipped cream. Just kidding. It's so light and airy and soft. I don't want to turn my hands purple, but I just had to do this. I am supposed to shampoo my hair first and then apply this, so I'm gonna do that in the shower. And as you can see, my hair does look a little brassy right now, a little yellow. I'm gonna go take care of that and then come back and show you what my clean toned hair looks like. I just shampooed, toned, and blow dried my hair, and it looks so much better, so much brighter blonde. Definitely cut through a lot of that brassiness. Also, my hair feels really soft. I'm impressed. This does say it's a toning foam conditioner, has oat and jojoba oil infused, or jojoba oil. I don't know how you say that, but anyways, I really like this stuff.